Mondays with Mike. Inspiration to help you land among the stars.
Can of worms. Check our assumptions. Sometimes conclusions aren't as obvious as they might seem. A minister decided that a visual demonstration would add emphasis to his Sunday sermon. 4 worms were placed into separate jars. The first worm was put into a container of alcohol. The second worm was put into a container of cigarette smoke. The third worm was put into a container of chocolate syrup. The fourth worm was put into a container of good, clean soil. At the conclusion of the sermon, the minister reported the following results. The first worm in alcohol, dead. The second worm in cigarette smoke, dead. Third worm in chocolate syrup, dead. Fourth worm in clean soil, alive. So, the minister asked the congregation, what can you learn from this demonstration? A little old woman in the back quietly raised her hand and said, as long as you drink, smoke, and eat chocolate, you won't have worms. We must smile at this story because it is so true. We think our communication is great, but we can open a can of worms at times and realize that we missed the mark. This story emphasizes the adage that the problem with communication is the assumption that it has taken place. Have a great week.